Roll sound, action.
आंसर से बोलना है, मिस्टेक नहीं करना. I was just about to say, बाप रे, this man has so much to talk. मतलब you realize we are two people here. Can you like just cut short?
नहीं.
अरे इसको तो थैंक यू बोला ही नहीं हम लोग. And the man behind my Jaya Bachchan, you did a great job. Thank you बोले करें.
Hey friends, welcome back to Flamazing Fables. And today we are going to have an exciting episode because we don't have just one guest, we have two guests with us with contrasting thoughts and from two different industries yet complementing each other. एक बोलता है you need to travel to have good food and the other one says why to travel when you can have the whole world in your plate at the luxury of your home. So introducing you to Shruti Bhartia from Desi Videsi and Sanjeet Sharma from Fly Infinity. Let us see who convinces us, the flavors of Desi Videsi or the flights of Fly Infinity. So hi Sanjeet, hi Shruti, welcome to Flamazing Fables.
Hi Ashim.
Hi Ashim.
How are you doing today?
I'm doing too good.
And what is the feeling sitting here together in a podcast? आपने कभी सोचा था मैं कपिल शर्मा की तरह अगर पूछूं कि आप मेरे साथ पॉडकास्ट होस्ट कर रहे होंगे?
I think we should rather tell him क्या आपने सोचा था, हम दोनों को एक साथ एक फ्रेम में शूट कर रहे होंगे.
And I'll say I'm very much excited sharing the same frame with the two great persons and very good friend of mine.
Okay, we look forward. As you know, will have a lot of questions relating to your industry, relating to your experiences and your childhood and everything. We'll have a mixed bag of questions and let's get started with it.
Okay.
So, both of you are from industries which not just do business or give service, you serve experience to the people. You are from travel industry, serving experience, how people can have a lot of good travel. Travel हर आदमी कर सकता है, लेकिन अच्छा travel, even a flight journey can be exciting. The destination can be devastation or excitement depending on how you plan it. Even similarly, खाना कोई ऑर्डर कर रहा है, कोई खाना खा रहा है, खाना on a bad day नमक ज़्यादा हो गया, on a bad day खाना कुछ जल गया, but ऑर्डर डिसरप्ट हो सकता है. लेकिन अदरवाइज ऐसा भी एक्सपीरियंस होता है कि यार मैंने ऐसा माइंड ब्लोइंग खाना कभी नहीं खाया. सो हाउ डू यू थिंक कि एक्सपीरियंस को कैसे इंप्रूव करना चाहिए? सर्विस हर कोई करता है, डे इन एंड डे आउट हम काम करेंगे. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद यू संजीत की हाउ डू यू थिंक you work for giving a better experience?
So you were very right, Ashim. As you told that we don't sell products, we sell experience.
Yes.
And this experience we it is all about our knowledge, our expertise, which we implement in our business so that we can serve our customers in a better way. As you told that like a flight, from traveling from one destination to another destination can be a very good experience for the. आप देखोगे कि normally client क्या करता है, online एक ticket book करता है and they travel. But when it comes to Fly Infinity, it's like we make sure that first of all we ask our client that for what purpose he is traveling. Suppose he is traveling for a corporate meet from Guwahati to Delhi. We make sure that उसकी ये जो journey होनी चाहिए, it should be very luxury, very convenient. He should go very आराम से. So we make sure that कि उनका एक extra room space book हो हम flight में. We arrange a small meal for him, so that when he get down he feel very fresh and he's ready
for an instant meeting or something. Yeah.
This is how we try to put our ideas, our thoughts, our knowledge for customer travel.
It's kind of you take a history, what is the requirement, and then you can implement it.
We make sure that we first take the entire thing, what actually the customer is traveling for. It's for a vacation or a corporate travel or for a health purpose or education, whatever their need is. We make sure that they give detail about that travel.
I think the same holds for you, Shruti, as well.
Yeah, I just feel, I look food as a very simplified thing, but again something that can give you an amazing experience in manifolds. मतलब आई नो बहुत जनरल है फूड, हम सब सोचते हैं कि खाना ही तो है, बट देन वो खाना ही तो है को ओ माय गॉड ये है खाना का जो एक स्टेप है, दैट इज समथिंग दैट वी ट्राई टू इनकर irrespective कि कितनी बार होता है that the client comes and we do not have a lot of details, unlike the kind of work that he does, we do not have a lot of details, but कभी कभी as you said the mood, कभी कभी even my mood plays a very big role and suddenly it adds to the amount of flavor and the love that I put into the food. So yeah, the experience is all that I look for.
Yeah, and I guess experience is the only thing that will keep the retention of customers, the clients, and आपके पास नए clients भी, references भी तभी आएंगे when you give good experience to the people. Now, both of your industries are like कि आपको कोई ऑफिस जाने की जरूरत नहीं है. You run a cloud kitchen, आपको अपने घर के किचन से जाना है. मे बी इफ यू हैव अ बिगर सेटअप तो आप कोई और फ्लैट पे जा सकते हैं, बट अल्टीमेटली घर का काम है. एंड इवन आपका काम मैक्सिमम ऑनलाइन लैपटॉप पे होता है, फ़ोन पे काम हो जाता है, उसके लिए आपको कोई ऑफिस नहीं जाना. तो देखिए क्या होता है, पीपल हैव दैट कि एक अलग वो थॉट होता है ना, मेरे को सुबह उठ के तैयार होना है, ऑफिस जाना है. आपके लिए वो बॉदरेशन नहीं है कि अलग से नहा धो के तैयार होके जाना है.
Really?
काइंड है कि नहीं?
But-
सो या सो ऑब्वियसली देयर कैन बी अ बट फॉर दैट, बट माय क्वेश्चन इज कि ऐसे मोमेंट पे जैसे आपको पता है कि मेरे को तो लैपटॉप पे काम करना है, बस बेड से उठा लैपटॉप पे बैठ गया, या यू कैन जस्ट रश इनटू द किचन एंड डू द वर्किंग. सो वहाँ इंस्पिरेशन कहाँ से आता है? आप समझ रहे मेरी बात? मतलब हम रोज डे इन एंड डे आउट दैट एनर्जी हैज टू कम. Obviously, paisa is always an energy.
Yeah.
But that inspiration has to come day in and day out. How do you get that experience? मतलब दुकान नहीं जाके फिर भी वो दुकान वाली फीलिंग कैसे लाते हैं?
So Asim, like I won't agree with you on this that कि दुकान नहीं जाके भी, like ऑफिस नहीं जाके भी, like you can create your office to be आपके होम, घर पे ही आप ऑफिस बना लो. That motivation आप जो सोच रहे हो, no doubt at times we do that. Like on Sundays also we need to work. Now on holidays also we need to work.
Yeah.
On that days basically हम ऑफिस नहीं जाते. We work from home. It's all about our requirement. What हमारे ऐसे कस्टमर्स है, like sudden requirements आ जाती है उनकी. They need to travel like international day after tomorrow. So हम वो वेट नहीं कर सकते कि okay कल ऑफिस खुलेगी तो हम कल जाएंगे. तो हम कल जाके we need to work out the very requirement. जिस दिन हमारे कस्टमर्स की आ जाती है, we need to start that working on that requirement from the very next moment. क्योंकि it's like very short period में उनको ट्रैवल करना पड़ता है. But generally I always prefer going to the office because the vibe which I get in my office for work I don't get it at my home.
Definitely, yeah.
So I normally prefer going to my office.
I guess the same holds so different for us because no matter wherever we are, the vibe always needs to be high. And मेरे case में because it's a home kitchen, it's a gourmet home kitchen, so the whole point of the convenience of working from home is to a different level. Yes, उसके cons है अपने. हम खुद normal day to day life में भी keep saying कि हर वक्त कोई ना कोई bell बज ही रहा होता है. That's a day to day problem that every household like face. But then हमारे केस में, इन माई केस, आई हैव बिकम सो यूज टू, माई टीम हैज बिकम सो यूज टू इट कि वो पूरा जो सिनेरियो वो अपने आप में एक द मोस्ट कंफर्टेबल वाइब है. लाइक आई कैन बी इन माई क्लोथ एंड जस्ट गो टू द किचन, स्टार्ट वर्किंग. पूजा भी हो रहा है साथ में, आई एम अटेंडिंग गेस्ट ऑल्सो. आई हैव अ चाइल्ड हु इज लाइक टू यंग, सो आई कैन टेक केयर ऑफ हिम ऑल्सो. So for me, I don't know if going to office is a vibe or not, but definitely working from home is a very good vibe because मैं सब कुछ कर सकती हूँ and I love multitasking, so it gives me all the more zeal to run this home kitchen from my house.
So gives you a good work-life balance at home itself.
Absolutely, absolutely. No matter what I am, like my work is घर पर, I am staying at home. Normally also जब लोगों का complaints रहता है, ओहो everybody is out, घर ध्यान नहीं दे पा रहे and all that. Thankfully I'm blessed with a very good household and my work is as such कि मैं सब कुछ एक साथ कर पाती हूँ. So I'm pretty blessed in that.
Yeah, obviously, and cloud kitchen is something which is generally run from home.
Yeah.
So obviously, different people have different experience working from home. कुछ लोगों को कोविड के बाद ज़बरदस्ती घर पे काम करना पड़ा, जिनको ऑफिस जाना अच्छा लगता था. So obviously, yeah, thank you for sharing your experiences. Now, all the industries have different myths. हर इंडस्ट्री के कुछ myths है. मैं जिस इंडस्ट्री में उसमें भी कोई myth है, आप जिसमें है. So I'd like to, like you, both of you, to share 2-3 different myths जो आपको हमेशा सुनने को मिलती है.
I think for the myths part, first I would like to answer on his behalf. So one myth, I don't know, I have endless myths about travel industry. So since he being my such a close friend, so whenever I talk to him and I hear कि यार मेरा ये fame trip है या I'm going there, I feel क्यों नहीं why did my parents tell me कि travel agent बनना चाहिए? Because I feel half the time they're traveling, free travels मिलते हैं, free stays in nice 5 stars and everything. See नहीं मिलता तो भी would have still been working, no? But such amazing perks. अब I don't know whether it is a myth or not, but half the time this man is traveling for free. I feel half the time he's eating free food, free travels, and everything free.
Okay, good. Yes, Shruti, I'll answer to your myth also. So before that, I'll ask Asim, आप बताओ आपको क्या लगता है मेरी इंडस्ट्री में what is the one myth you have that about this travel agency or travel agent?
मेरे को ऐसा लगता है, देखिए जनरली लोग ऑनलाइन बुक ज़्यादा करते हैं और बहुत बार ये कंपैरिजन आता है, यार ऑनलाइन में तो इतना में मिल रहा है, तुम इस बात का क्या चार्ज कर रहे हो, क्यों चार्ज कर रहे हो, किस बात के पैसे ले रहे हो. दिस इज वन थिंग दैट आई थिंक एवरी टाइम कम्स टू नॉट ओनली माई माइंड बट मोस्ट ऑफ द क्लाइंट्स हु आर ट्रैवलिंग, उनके दिमाग में ये बात ज़रूर आती है.
Very true. I'll agree with you. Yes, this is the first and the foremost myth about our industry. कि Sanjay Sharma, you are just like a middleman. You will buy a ticket from an airline and you will hand over to him. इसके बीच में आप एक middleman हो तो obviously आपका एक कट रहेगा. So ये automatically हमारे cost को add कर जाएगा. And second thing, they feel that कि one more myth is that कि हम वही प्रोडक्ट बेचते हैं या हम वही सर्विस देने की कोशिश करते हैं जिसमें हमारा मार्जिन ज़्यादा है. Like you ask कि संजीव मुझे I want to travel to Guwahati Delhi, so I'll ask you do one thing, you take it XYZ company, इसकी फ्लाइट ले लो आप, you will reach on this time. So client सोचता नहीं I have asked for 545, ये मुझे 745 क्यों दे रहा है. The reason behind is that see we take regular updates about the airlines. उनका क्या ट्रैवल शेड्यूल्स है, कहीं उनकी अगर कोई फ्लाइट्स में अगर कोई टेक्निकल प्रॉब्लम्स आती है, सो वन फ्लाइट इफ हैव एनी टेक्निकल प्रॉब्लम्स उनका का पूरा एंटायर शेड्यूल हैम्पर हो जाता है. सो अगर उनका रेगुलर ये प्रॉब्लम रहता है लाइक लास्ट 7 days का हम उनका वो स्टेटस चेक करते हैं, तो व्हेन वी गेट टू नो दैट यस ये फ्लाइट हरदम डिले हो रही है या फिर कोई ना कोई प्रॉब्लम, सो इन दैट केस आई सजेस्ट टू माय क्लाइंट्स कि नहीं, इंस्टेड ऑफ टेकिंग दिस फ्लाइट यू टेक दिस फ्लाइट, सो यू रीच ऑन टाइम. Though you have to pay a amount or so extra उसके लिए, but आपको कहीं प्रॉब्लम नहीं आएगी. वो एक हमारा कंसर्न रहता है. इट्स नॉट ओनली अर्निंग फ्रॉम दैट पर्टिकुलर ट्रांजेक्शंस, वी ऑलवेज टेक केयर कि उनका. सो ये मिथ हम लोगों का दूर करने की कोशिश करते हैं कि नहीं, आप ये सोचते हो कि हम वही बेचते हैं जिसमें हमें प्रॉफिट है. नो, फर्स्ट हमारा एक थॉट ही रहता है कि योर जर्नी शुड बी लाइक वेरी हैसल फ्री. It should be very on like you should reach on your destination on time. So वो factors को हम consider करते हुए ही suggest करते हैं हमारे clients को. And when it comes to like middlemen, yes, we are middlemen between you and the airlines or XYZ, whatever it is. But this middlemen sometimes help you with the special fares which we have, and you won't get that on online portals. We have direct connections with we have like distribution network with the airlines. Sometimes we have corporate fares, SMEs fares, coupon fares which we can offer. You can't get those fares from the online. So these myths are like that.
And what about free food?
Okay, yes, again, free food.
Free food, free stays, free travel, free perks.
No, हम like I'll tell you, Shruti is not like that. आज आपने ये business start किया, you are into this industry, from the very next day you will start getting और free perks from the airline कि yes आप तो हमारी industry के part बन गए, तो हम आपको free देना चाहिए. At certain point पहुंचने के बाद they give you a target, they give you a volume. If you start giving volume to those airlines or hotels or destination management companies, they give that वो जो आप वॉल्यूम देते हो उसके रिवार्ड में ये पर्क्स देते हैं. वो पर्क्स भी उनके लिए ही प्रॉफिटेबल होता है. सपोज अ DMC गिव मी अ फ्री स्टे इन दुबई, सो व्हेन आई विल विजिट टू दुबई, ऑब्वियसली दे ही विल टेक मी टू 2-3 प्रॉपर्टीज, ही टेक मी टू 3 like sightseeings, and coming from that destination back to India, he know that I am going to sell this for that. So these are the reasons. And I tell you, yes, we attend many conferences, many seminars, many trade fairs, because we have to travel for all these things to get the knowledge. नया मार्केट में प्रोडक्ट कौन सा है, नया डेस्टिनेशन कौन सा है. वी मीट लाइक एक्सपीरियंस पीपल, उनका नॉलेज एक्सपीरियंस हम करते हैं, शेयर करते हैं to like upgrade ourselves.
Obviously.
But we need to invest. we need to spend for that.
So basically,
free में knowledge, free में expertise.
so
free
mainly
में-
I didn't see you in your struggling days. So I am seeing you maybe after you're a settled established settled travel agent. So हम पहले नहीं मिले आपसे, late से मिले. So that is one reason why मुझे सिर्फ perks.
And rightly said, nothing comes for free in life.
And if anything is coming for free, then you are the product.
Yeah.
I tell you.
Very true. Yeah, actually true. Very true. Very true. Coming to the myths that I generally face, see again, खाना ही तो है. This statement is such a generic statement. And moreover, क्योंकि आज की दुनिया is so obsessed with brands कि भले हम ताज में जाएं, they give you a bad service, you might probably go back to them. But मेरे किस लिए किस बात के पैसे चार्ज कर रही है? Trust me, this myth needs to go off. When you prepare something at home, the effort is double times. The quality that you get is top notch, because obviously a restaurant will never try to be personalized or will never care about the fact कि okay हमने tomatoes wash करके use किया है कि नहीं, is the धनिया पत्ती being soaked in water or not. See, when we prepare from home, it is just like how I prepare food for my son. It is exactly that. So obviously this is not something that you can compare even with what amount of money you pay now. But because we are running a business, तो ये जो लोगों का है ना कि अरे उस रेस्टोरेंट 400 रुपये चार्ज कर रहा है for a pasta is understandable. Why is she charging? I am charging because I am actually living up to that 400 rupees that you're paying me compared to what a restaurant can do. आप मुझसे आप कॉल करके फिर भी पूछ लेते. There are people who have literally called and asked me, आप कौन से ब्रांड का चीज़ यूज़ करते हो, आप कौन से ब्रांड का ऑयल यूज़ कर रहे हो, मैदा आपका ऑर्गेनिक है या नहीं है, वो आप सॉस में क्या डालोगे. Do you think a restaurant will answer that question? So the biggest myth that people have कि cloud kitchens को सस्ता होना चाहिए, absolutely not. Especially females or males who are preparing at home, trust me, सस्ता बिल्कुल नहीं होना चाहिए. Rather, they are the only ones who are delivering what they are promising. So that is one of the biggest myths that I want to clear for people.
Yeah, obviously.
I have a small question. So like after COVID, this cloud kitchen words like is very very familiar to us. Like you know?
Absolutely.
So initial days before COVID, मेरे ख्याल से cloud kitchen का concept was not so much popular. People like COVID के बाद ही जानने लगे हैं. So कभी ऐसा हुआ है कि आपके पास किसी client ने या किसी friend ने या किसी relative ने कि आपका क्लाउड किचन कहीं दिखा नहीं एटी रोड में या जू
Okay, I know where this question is coming from. Okay, first answering to the question, there is a reason why COVID के बाद cloud kitchens के नाम इतने होने लगे. So because COVID में बहुत
we were at
लोग
home,
नहीं जा पा रहे थे
yeah.
restaurants and we were at home. So that is one time when cloud kitchens जैसे modules आने लगे. What is a cloud kitchen? कि जहाँ आप बैठ कर नहीं खा सकते हो, but then it is something जिनसे आप take away कर सकते हो. They can send food to you. It is like that. So after COVID, this module became prevalent. कि लोगों को easy लगने लगा कि हमको तैयार नहीं होना है, हमको डेक अप नहीं होना है, reservations नहीं लेने, पार्किंग के चक्कर नहीं होने. Just order from a cloud kitchen and the food is at your service. Pajamas में खाओ, Netflix देखो, chill करो. So that's the ease. And answering to कि yes, there have been times जब लोगों को क्योंकि नहीं पता था, I wish ये podcast पहले हो जाता तो cloud kitchen के बारे में पता हो जाता उन लोगों को. For the ones who've called me and asked कि अरे आपका cloud kitchen तो दिख ही नहीं रहा है, नाम कहाँ पे है. A lot of times people have confused me with different names. They have gone there and they are calling me, अरे आप जो menu दे रहे हो वो तो है ही नहीं. So yes, we have gone through that. Again, as I'm saying, I work from my house, so I don't put a commercial board outside my house, and a cloud kitchen doesn't even require a board. Let me make that very clear. So that is one reason why you might not find me visibly there, but as the name says cloud kitchen, so we are right there, over and above you, seeing everything that is happening in and around. Right, Doc?
So yeah, and Sanjit ji, she is a cloud kitchen. Somewhere in the clouds, she runs a
like
kitchen.
36,000
But
feet
yeah,
from the ground.
So, but coming to the COVID thing that you were talking about, definitely we got such kitchens in the clouds after COVID. But how were your clouds affected since flights were affected during COVID? How do you think the pre-COVID and the post-COVID era, do you see a change, particular change in your industry when we talk about COVID? Because most of the industries have divided them into pre-COVID and post-COVID era. So how do you see that?
So yes, Asim, you are very right. I like to say you that before COVID, travel was like, yes, people used to travel for like corporate purpose, for vacations, for different reasons. Like for somebody travel for studies, like for medical purpose, यू कैन से लाइक सोलो ट्रिप्स, हनीमून ट्रिप्स.
Yeah.
तो हमें वो एक रेगुलर चल रहा था. बट सडनली जब कोविड आया, उस वक्त हमें ट्रैवल का इम्पोर्टेंस पता चला. It was like our flight was like crashed,
Yeah.
suddenly crashed. कि कोविड आया एंड वी आर लाइक वेरी मच ग्राउंडेड. अब हमारे पास कुछ नहीं है करने को. ट्रैवल शब्द डिक्शनरी से खत्म हो गया. नो क्वेरीज, नो कॉल्स, कुछ भी नहीं था. वी वाज जस्ट सिटिंग आइडल. वी यूज्ड टू लाइक, ये फोन जो दिन में पूरे टाइम बजता था, ये अब फोन बजता ही नहीं है.
No wonder people had babies during that time. कि जब फोन नहीं बज रहा है, वर्क से डिस्टर्ब नहीं हो रहे.
I don't know. See, like we were very much, see, though and for you won't believe कितने ट्रैवल एजेंट्स, कितने ट्रैवल कंसल्टेंट्स ने अपना एक बिजनेस छोड़ दिया था.
Okay.
We were few, we knew it. It will take time,
Yeah.
but once it get revived, we are going to bounce back.
Bounce back. Yeah.
So this was our thought. We need to have need to have the patience. Yes, we need to have patience. ये period चला जाएगा, but we never knew ये कब जाएगा. So 6 months, 1 year तक चला गया. We were no queries. हम चलते थे. कभी कभार कोई मूवमेंट होता था मेडिकल पर्पस, क्योंकि फ्लाइट्स वर आल्सो ग्राउंडेड. धीरे धीरे कुछ एक फ्लाइट्स फ्लाई करना स्टार्ट की, तो बहुत मिनिमम मूवमेंट होता था. अनटिल अनलेस वेरी इमरजेंसी, जो कॉर्पोरेट ट्रैवल्स मीटिंग्स के लिए
Yes.
होते थे, दैट वाज टेकन अवे बाय जूम. लोग जाना बंद कर दिए थे. जूम वाज द अल्टीमेट सॉल्यूशन फॉर दैट, कि हम कॉर्पोरेट विजिट के लिए जो जाते थे, हम जूम में काम चला जाएंगे. वी यूज्ड टू टॉक. हम हमारे ट्रैवल एजेंट्स कभी बैठते थे, अब हमारा क्या होगा,
क्या होगा?
अगर ये ट्रैवल वापस रिवाइव नहीं किया तो क्या होगा. बट अगेन वी आर ह्यूमंस. आई टेल यू, आफ्टर रोटी, कपड़ा एंड मकान, travel is the fourth thing which every individual want. Maybe you want to travel for your purpose, कि मेरे को vacation के लिए जाना है. Either you are going for education or for medical. X, Y, Z कोई ना कोई reason ढूंढ ही लेते हैं लोग जाने के लिए. I knew it. It will. Gradually जब होने लगा, you won't believe, इस ये जो new normal era था travel का, people came up with a revenge travel.
हाँ.
Such a
There was a
trending
word
word.
revenge travel.
Trending
बहुत
word.
दिन हो गए, हम बैठ गए. Now we want to travel.
Yes.
So इस revenge travel में yes certain precautions लिए जाते थे. Even we suggest our clients like आपका जो booster dose वगैरह या जो भी कोविड का आपका वैक्सीन से वो आपका लिया हुआ होना चाहिए. हमारे जो टेस्टिंग्स होते थे ट्रैवल से पहले, ट्रैवल से एयरपोर्ट पे, होटल्स चेक इन में भी यही प्रोसेस था. जो हमने देखा एक रेवोल्यूशन आ गया. People started like working on hygiene travel. पहले क्या होता था, people used to हमें सस्ता दे दो, सस्ता दे दो, सस्ता दे. We were the one, लेकिन we never preferred selling सस्ता products. I don't know what सस्ता is. आपकी परिभाषा सस्ता के लिए अलग हो सकती है. मेरे we know travel should be like, it's like comfort.
Yes,
You are
absolutely.
spending something, you should get in return
Value for
whatever
money.
you're looking. Yes,
Yeah.
value for money.
Yeah.
We were never like that कि चले, like you can see like आप ad आते हो देखते हैं कि travel Thailand just at rupees 2199.
Yeah.
Up
And
down
you get
plus
empty.
3 night stay.
Yeah.
Doctor, I tell you that is next to impossible. If you are really want to travel, अगर आपको just you want to go Thailand, touch the ground and come back, that is different issue. But if you really want to experience the Thailand, you need to pay for that.
Yeah, obviously.
This is why Shruti, the people like Thailand tourism, Dubai tourism call us. They take to different sightseeing so that we can go
Promote
back to
them.
India and sell their countries.
Obviously.
It is not like selling. वो भेड़ चाल की तरह हम नहीं बेचना चाहते.
No, but my point was कि वो तब फिर भी करते ना, ये freebies नहीं मिलते तो भी would have still done it. ऐसा थोड़ी काम नहीं करते. So my point is the perks that you get even for the things that you would have still done अगर ये नहीं मिलता तो. Knowledge तो दुनिया ले ही रही है.
Then, as I was talking, as a revolution आया travel industry में, धीरे करके everything goes normal. Now people, again, travel में you won't believe एक boost आया.
Yeah. People started
COVID
traveling
से
more,
पहले,
I suppose. Yeah.
COVID के बाद, we never expected ये boost कैसे आया.
ऐसा है.
People अपनी life की importance जाना लगा. वो तो पहले ऐसा होता था, they used to save more.
Yeah.
क्या करेंगे जाके, instead of traveling to like some
Yeah, this
out of
is what I
India,
feel.
we can travel to local destinations. We can save this amount of money. But after COVID, they realized no, if you want to travel, we should travel. पैसा का क्या है, life का importance पता चल गया. Then I saw that people started spending on travel, like on luxury properties, like taking flights में उनको comfort चाहिए, spending on like add-ons, क्या क्या मिल सकता है flight में नहीं है, like मुझे Excel seats है. all luxuries में लोग धीरे धीरे convert हो गए.
Actually.
वो ये difference था कोविड से पहले कोविड के बाद. Now तो we enjoy selling.
Yeah.
People, we take money, I understand, but we pay the value for that.
And people have, I feel, started traveling more, giving more importance to their life, own life. They've understood the value of life post-COVID.
Exactly, which is another, as he mentioned, hygiene travel, same goes with us. You know, people have started focusing more on hygienic food. कि नहीं ठीक है हमको no matter what a restaurant is a restaurant or cloud kitchen is, आप घर का मंगवाना home ऐसे ही हम नहीं कहते, you know, homemade with love. People have now started preferring us only because of the fact कि नहीं यहाँ से आ रहा है तो the quality will be amazing. Hygiene के सारे standards follow होंगे. Things won't be stale, जो कि हमारा major requirement रहता है in food. And that is one very big shift that we've seen after COVID. People have started valuing themselves in terms of, again, travel, in terms of eating good food, in terms of doing activities for themselves, like self-love. It has just increased in manifold.
Yeah, true, very true. And in fact, I think all the lives have been affected post-COVID. किसी ने किसी को खोया, बीमारी हुई, एंड लोगों को इम्पोर्टेंस पता चला हर चीज़ का. फैमिली साथ में रहने का क्या इम्पोर्टेंस है, ट्रैवल का क्या इम्पोर्टेंस है, अच्छे खाने का क्या इम्पोर्टेंस है. आई थिंक COVID taught us a good lesson. And while answering that question, you used 2-3 words like grounded and local. I have few questions on that. First, using the word local. Our Prime Minister is specifically promoting vocal for local. So, coming to the travel, both of the industries are quite related to local industry as well. Yes. So, coming to you first, how do you think you promoting the local travel? Because we live in a state, very beautiful state, Assam, and in fact we are a part of a northeast, which is, I suppose, the most beautiful part. अगर हम लोग पूरी दुनिया भी घूम लें, तो नॉर्थ ईस्ट के मतलब जैसा कुछ नहीं. So how do you feel we should be vocal for our local properties or something?
So see, Asim, like we, Fly Infinity deals in both outbound and inbound. It's not like that we only sell like foreign countries, Thailand, yeah, Dubai, yeah, Singapore, yeah, Malaysia. We also promote people. We also push people. When we visit to these countries for seminars or conferences, there we promote our destinations. Like we have lots and lots destination in India. One of them is like we are in Northeast, and North is the beautiful destination in entire India. People from different part of the country like Maharashtra, Gujarat, northern part of India, people travel to our Northeast. So basically we always try that we focus on like tourism part of Assam, tourism part of Meghalaya. These are the basic 3 destinations like Assam, Meghalaya and Arunachal. Now gradually our government of Assam and the other government of northeastern part of like government of different states, they are promoting this. They are working on the infrastructures of the like cities. So gradually we are seeing like a good footfall from the different countries, different states traveling to Northeast. And even we make sure that we promote. After all, it is like our social and moral responsibility to contribute to the state economy, right? Definitely. Similarly, we ask our client, like as you told that कि वो online booking करते हैं, so उनका भी एक moral responsibility बन जाता है. अगर आप हमसे booking करते हो, if you support your local vendors, you are contributing to the revenue part of the government, right? Like if you book online, you never know ये part जो revenue part है वो कहाँ जा रहा है. There are lots and lots of websites. आप online check करोगे, you never know ये website कहाँ exist करती है. There are like I don't want to name it. आप विश्वास नहीं करोगे, कुछ एक ऐसी websites है जिनका revenue total out of India जाता है. Just to save like 100 or 200 rupees, you are doing bookings. And it's not about revenue part. support-wise also,
Support-wise also, yes.
what you will get from a local vendor, you won't get from the online.
Definitely.
So this is also one thing I'll request my client base, my people of Northeast, that if you should support the local vendors.
Yeah.
And again, local vendors also, I'll say that, like, if you talk about our industry, there are thousands of vendors. Our travel industry is like the very easy to enter.
Yeah.
If you have a laptop at your place,
That's
and
all.
you are a travel agent.
Yes.
But we are like, we always focus on, you need to have like, go through some compliances. You should have like GST registration. Should we get registered with the local tourism boards? You should be get registered with the
National boards,
national
international
yes,
boards, yeah.
various platforms. जिसके through आप register होते हो. Those are the only actual travel agents which we promote. The rest बाकी आप देखो छोटे-छोटे agents बहुत हैं. This is how it works.
So let me twist that question a little bit for you, Shruti, because I know that you are not from this part of the country. You are married here. You have come and settled in Guwahati. So maybe you would like to incorporate the local dishes or local flavors in your menu. But before that, I'd like to ask you, how do you feel about the local food and local menu? If you have experienced the taste or anything, what do you feel about the local taste, local feelings? Because आप बाहर से आते हैं जहाँ पे फूड का एक अलग ही नज़रिया है, और हम जहाँ पे बैठते हैं यहाँ फूड का अलग नज़रिया है. So how do you think that कि हाँ आप उसको मेन्यू में डालेंगे, how much vocal can you become for our local cuisines?
So, okay, one thing I must tell you, I love eating food, and irrespective कि मैं कहीं पर भी हूँ, even if I'm there for a day, I would love to try the local food that is there. जो भी उनका whatever the chilies that they use or the flavors that they incorporate, उनका whatever they do it, I love trying that. Plus, moreover, the kind of background that I come from a pro-veg family. I am born and brought up in then Bihar and later on Jharkhand. Then I had my studies in Bangalore, and from there I got to visit to different countries. And then I got married and settled here. So I have a very diverse palate for that matter. But then again, for some reason I just love food, and मुझे अच्छा लग ही जाता है. कहीं का भी local flavors, it just gets digested to me, and I start liking it, and I do not hesitate. Up till the time the food is vegetarian, I do not hesitate in trying, चाहे वो कैसा भी हो, कुछ भी दिख रहा हो. I love to try that because I somehow get the kick to try something new. So that drive in me makes me try the flavors. Now coming to Assam, Northeast यहाँ के. Now this place for some reason is so amazing in terms of the lemon that we have here. The lemon का not just lemon, the leaves, everything. मुझे ऐसा लगता है North East is the only place जहाँ पे हम सिर्फ खाने का, जैसे हम कहते हैं ना कि सिर्फ सब्जी नहीं, सब्जी के छिलके का भी हम निकालते हैं.
सिर्फ फल नहीं खाते, पूरे पेड़ को यूज करते हैं.
पूरे पेड़ को यूज करते हैं. मतलब we use literally everything and it comes out to be beautiful. Yeah. Like my Nana Nani lives close by to, they've been staying in Assam closer to Bongaigaon. There is a small place. So they're staying there from last 35-40 years. So my every vacation used to be, I'm used to coming here, हर साल आना vacations पे, कामाख्या जी दर्शन करना. And my nani makes excellent Bengali food. मुझे लगता नहीं कि मैंने और कहीं भी ऐसा खाया होगा. No restaurant can make the kind of food that she makes. On top of that, वो अपने घर पे जो भी प्रोड्यूसर्स होता था, मतलब हम अजवाइन के पत्ते का पकौड़ी भी खा रहे हैं, हम अजवाइन के पत्ते से अजवाइन ड्राई करके भी निकाल रहे हैं, हम भिंडी भी ग्रो करके खा रहे हैं, हम चिली. दिस इज नॉट समथिंग दैट आई हैव बीन यूज्ड टू सीइंग इन माय सिटी. सो यही मैंने देखा कि यहाँ की जो मिट्टी भी है, दैट इज वेरी प्रोडक्टिव. मुझे जैसे मैं कुछ भी उगाऊँ यहाँ पे, लाइक अभी आई एम ग्रोइंग बेसिल बिना कोई एक्स्ट्रा उसमें कि ऑनलाइन बहुत फैंसी सीड्स और ये सब मंगवाई. नॉर्मल मेरे पास एक बेसिल का सीड था, I just put it in my, and it is growing. So you feel very positive in a city or a state like this, जहाँ पे आपको ऐसा लगता है कि यहाँ की मिट्टी इतनी उपजाऊ है that no matter आप कुछ भी डाल दो, it will give you something in return. And that just gives me the drive to cook even more, to experiment with the flavors. जो यहाँ की चिली है, भूत जोलकिया. I mean, have you ever thought of a भूत जोलकिया ice cream? It is amazing. Yes, it is amazing. I mean, that is, I think, one of my best tried recipes. Bhoot jalakya mousse, the jam that I have made from it. It is amazing. So यहाँ का ब्यूटी ही तो है which is put into my flavor.
Yeah, plus we live in an area called Northeast.
Yeah.
We have 7 states.
7
and I
states,
feel more than 7 crore flavors यहाँ पे हम लोग को देखने को मिलेंगे.
मतलब so much to
So,
learn and
yeah.
keep experimenting.
Definitely,
Thanks to-
definitely. Now you were talking about the kick. Coming to the kick, was it कि childhood से both of you आज आप जिस भी प्रोफेशन में हैं शुरू से कभी सोचा था कि इस प्रोफेशन में जाएंगे या ऐसा, मतलब इफ श्रुति आई वुड आस्क यू कि आप बचपन से फूडी थी, फूडी एज यू टोल्ड यू लव्ड ईटिंग, बट फूडी होना और लोगों को खाना खिलाना इज टू डिफरेंट थिंग.
Absolutely.
लोगों को खाना खाना बहुत इजी है,
पसंद
पर
है,
बना
and
के
पसंद भी है.
देना दैट ऑल्सो आपको मेंटेनिंग एवरीथिंग एंड सेलिंग एंड यू हैव टू गिव अ वैल्यू फॉर मनी.
Yes.
कि लोग पैसे दे रहे हैं, आपको खाना अच्छा देना पड़ेगा.
At the same time building your brand.
Yeah.
I was not a brand then.
सो हाउ डू यू थिंक, मतलब आपको बचपन से ऐसा कभी थॉट था कि ऐसा कुछ करेंगे या फिर इट जस्ट केम कि हाँ नहीं ठीक है?
Okay. बचपन से डेफिनेटली नॉट. इनफैक्ट मुझे कुकिंग का सी भी नहीं पता था बाय द टाइम आई वाज हियर, क्योंकि ऑब्वियसली माई पेरेंट्स वर वेरी ड्रिवन टूवर्ड्स मी स्टडिंग. मेरे भी बहुत प्लान्स थे, मतलब बहुत छोटे से आई वाज डिसाइडेड कि मुझे 12th यहाँ से करना है, अच्छे से पढ़ना है, आई गेट गुड स्कोर सो दैट आई कैन नेगोशिएट इट विद माई पेरेंट्स, गो आउट, बाहर पढ़ूँ, इतने में MBA कर लेना. आई वॉज वेरी जब वी मेट काइंड उस मामले में. इतने में MBA, इतने में जॉब, इतने में शादी, इतने में बस शादी तक. नो किड्स. I'm very phobic to needles. So बस शादी होके I thought I'll just stop. And शादी was also somewhere like ठीक है.
Later in the life.
बाकी work, job was something that सब लोग ड्रीम करते ना, मैं जॉब करना चाहती थी. माई ओनली ड्रीम वॉज मुझे जॉब करना है. somebody should be there who should tell me what needs to be done. So I liked that. अब when I came here, because I have a corporate background, मैंने 5 साल in fact 5.5 साल I've worked with 2 different multinational amazing companies. वहीं रही, फिर I came here. मुझे the kind of family that I'm married to, I didn't have a very long courtship period. Within a month I got married, so didn't get much time to know the family here. So I came here. City नया है, लोग नहीं जानते हैं हम. So I took kind of a lot of time. I look very एकदम pumpy and प्रीति ज़ंटा kind, but then मुझे बहुत समय लगता है to adjust with the kind of scenario, situation and लोगों को जानने में मुझे time लगता है थोड़ा. So I thought I took that amount of time to understand my family, to understand my husband for that matter, because even we barely knew each other when I got married. तो उस हिसाब से my journey started. On the journey of knowing him, I realized that my entire family loves eating. And most importantly, the man whom I'm married to, his main aim in life is to eat. मतलब the start, he knows him, even he's a friend of him. He knows कि मतलब even when we are out, irrespective कि बाकी सब क्या हो रहा है, waiters हैं, पहले हम कुछ खाना order करते हैं. So his journey begins from food. And he loves cooking also himself. My mother-in-law is a very good chef. My parents back then, my mother, my nana, my mama, everybody cooks in the house. So यहाँ आकर I eventually learned. मतलब I learned a lot of things. The day I entered the family, there have been a very small story that I to tell people, because मैं उतनी I won't say idiot, but मैं उतनी innocent थी towards food कि when my mother-in-law was like कि श्रुति दाल सोक कर दो क्योंकि बनेगा दोपहर को, और टेल द कुक टू सोक द दाल. एंड आई एम लाइक, हमारे घर में तो शायद हम गीला ही दाल खाते हैं, वाई डू वी इवन नीड टू सोक. सो उतनी एमेच्योर थी मैं कुकिंग को लेके. एंड देन इवेंचुअली cooking for my husband, the amount of happiness that I kind of saw in his face just by seeing food was different level. So cook करते करते for him, for my family, I eventually realized कि शायद कहीं ना कहीं मेरे अंदर था. Maybe because back there my family has been cooking a lot. यहाँ पर इतना food देखा. And एक चीज़ था Ashim, I have touched wood, I have never burnt my food. लोग कहते हैं ना दाल जल गई, चावल जल गए, मैंने कभी कुछ नहीं जलाया. So that was a very big motivator for me to take up this thing of cooking. And जो भी मैं बनाती थी, I used to get this thing from people. यार टेस्ट है तुम्हारे खाने में, कोई नहीं कहेगा कि तुमने फर्स्ट टाइम बनाया. So that was a very big motivator for me to start this thing.
Basically, feedbacks were good, very good, and that helped you.
Feedbacks, no negative feedbacks. The love, the happiness on my husband's
Yeah.
face probably after eating the food. All these drives. My son who was a picky eater, उसके लिए experiment करते करते. My in-laws who eat without onion and garlic, उनके लिए experiment करते करते, उनको happy करने के लिए the things that I used to experiment. वो करते करते उस journey में मुझे पता ही नहीं चला that the knack of cooking was just there and I can do it. And eventually COVID, as usual, सब लोग शेफ्स बने, सबने डालगोना कॉफी बनाया, ब्रेड्स बनाया, मैंने भी बनाया. But then I thought क्यों ना इसको एक चांस दिया जाए खुद को, because again I didn't find jobs here. The kind of, I didn't find a right place for me over here. So that is one thing that kind of made me open. Basically,
I think her husband worked as Amitabh Bachchan of who helped Ranveer Kapoor to find out the Chingari.
Chingari.
That's the only I was adding, like behind this successful chef is a foodie husband.
critical husband.
So कहीं ना कहीं successful woman के उस आदमी का हाथ.
Yeah.
बहुत
Like I'm not a foodie.
We're critical.
Seriously, I don't love food. I eat. I don't.
I eat for the sake of eating.
But लेकिन मुझे घर का खाना ज़्यादा पसंद है. I don't do R&D. I can eat anything. It's not like that. लेकिन मुझे ऐसे घर का खाना, I love eating घर का food.
But again, continuing that same questions for you. शुरू से ऐसा था कि मतलब ट्रैवल में जाना है या फिर what motivated you to move into travel industry?
I was not meant for business. To be very frank, I tell you, Asim, like we used to stay like together. We were in joint family. और हमारा family business था logistic का.
Okay.
So my uncle, my father, सबका. So they were the, like you can say, pioneer of this industry in Northeast.
Okay.
बहुत पुराने हैं. So my father used to see the like Silchar Agartala, Imphal, Dimapur. Like my uncle was very known उस समय के transports के लिए.
Okay.
बहुत पुराने हैं. हम पढ़ाई born and brought up यहीं. Gradually हम बड़े हुए. My cousin started कि ठीक है हमारी पढ़ाई हुई थी, joint business अपने father के business. I was the only one घर में जिसने किसी का कोई business का भी office नहीं किया था. I had a thought कि नहीं मुझे तो like I always wanted to go in defense.
Oh, I thought even you said मुझे भी decided था कि मुझे बस पढ़ाई लिखाई करके
नहीं,
शादी करनी है.
so,
That is my
no,
only
no, no.
thought. That's why I got married early.
No, yeah, you were very true. So again, so after completing like school, college, I went to college. My life was my friends. मेरे दोस्त जहाँ जा रहे हैं मैं वहीं चला जाता था. It was like that. So after like our board, I got distinction in. लेकिन distinction आने के बावजूद भी हमें नहीं मालूम था हमें क्या करना. उस टाइम इतना पीछे clears नहीं था. तो clear में हम सारे दोस्त गुवाहाटी कॉमर्स गए. हम भी गुवाहाटी कॉमर्स कॉलेज. I had a beautiful college life. I enjoyed like anything. I was little naughty, but parallelly I made sure that कि हम हमारी पढ़ाई को like we used to match up with the studies. हमारे scorings वगैरह अच्छे रहते थे. I was very popular. So देखते देखते कॉलेज लाइफ भी चली गई.
Himself mentioned.
5 साल क्यों यूं गुजर गए हमें पता ही नहीं चला. So now it's time to do something. Again, it's a game of destiny. I wanted to be like part of this khaki uniform, but for some reasons I could not. So from there I went to Calcutta. Calcutta, I joined one of my friend. He was very fast friend.
Okay.
I'd like to name it Shyam Danani. He was in college with me and very close to me. So I joined him. He was running a brand called Infinity India in Calcutta.
Okay.
That was basically a computer assembling unit.
Okay.
So I joined him. ठीक है. I went to Calcutta for further studies. लेकिन मैंने उसको join किया. He wanted to कि नहीं तुम क्या studies करके you come with me हम business करते हैं. I was like नहीं मैं business नहीं है. Business तो मैं करता तो मैं logistic का business में मेरी family वाले business में चले जाऊँ. Then for some other reason he didn't like नहीं ऐसे थोड़ी तो समझा. And मेरे मन में कहीं यहाँ रह गए तो हम business में फंस जाएंगे. I again came back to Guwahati. Then I went to Delhi. There also one of my friend Hemant Sethi. He was also in the same trade. Computers. I joined him. I don't know मुझे क्या लगा कि नहीं यार संजीत घूम फिर के कहीं
एक ही चीज
नहीं आ रहे हो. So I joined him. I used to go travel from Mayur Vihar to Nehru Place via Janakpuri. Like every day हमारा ये रहता था. I used to like we were into hardware selling, wholesale. Then we decided I need to do something of own.
My own,
मुझे
yeah.
कुछ करना है. सो हम जब यही करना है तो व्हाई नॉट गुवाहाटी.
Guwahati.
So we started a startup in Guwahati, एक assembling unit with a brand name of Infinity. We registered as a SSI unit, small scale. हम उस टाइम Compaq, IBM बोल के ब्रांड चलते थे कंप्यूटर्स के लिए. We thought हम भी एक अपना ब्रांड बनाएंगे. So Infinity नाम का ब्रांड लेके हम गुवाहाटी में ऑफिस खोले. I had a big showroom in Pan Bazaar, Asa Tower, and like हम जब अपना ग्लो साइन बोर्ड बनाए, it was like 45 feet का ग्लो साइन.
Oh,
मतलब we wanted to launch ourselves in Guwahati
in a big way. Yeah.
big way. So we three was the partners. Okay, we हमारी opening हो गई showroom की. We started doing good business. We used to procure goods from Calcutta, from Delhi, selling in Guwahati. We did some good contracts with SM government. हम वहाँ से we individual houses, corporate offices पे हमने करते 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 suddenly one of my partner, like he was into pharmaceutical business, उसका main like family business था. So for some reasons he could not continue.
Yeah.
Now for after 6 months, like the other friend Heman Shetty, he also had some reasons. So he also asked me, Sandeep, I won't be able to win. So okay, no problem. I started. So I used to procure goods from local, from outside. हम करते करते suddenly एक नया revolution आया technology में, mobile industry. So I added that part also into my business. ये चल रहा था. I was enjoying. मुझ में एक प्रॉब्लम था, मतलब लाइक इफ आई एम डूइंग अ बिजनेस पैरेलली मुझे कुछ कुछ नया करते रहना पड़ता है. यू वोंट बिलीव, ये करने के साथ साथ आई एंटर्ड इनटू स्कूल इंडस्ट्री. मैंने 2 प्ले स्कूल्स खोले. दो आई वाज नॉट लुकिंग आफ्टर दैट प्ले स्कूल्स. माय वाइफ, माय पार्टनर, दे वर लुकिंग आफ्टर. हमने वो किया. आई स्टार्टेड अ स्मॉल शॉप ऑफ शूज, छोटे छोटे बच्चों के. लाइक आई गॉट मैरिड आफ्टर दिस. मैरिड होने के बाद बच्चों के लिए शूज नहीं मिलते थे, ठीक है. सो आई वेरी वेरी हम शॉपिंग नहीं, यार बच्चों के शूज के ऑप्शंस ही नहीं है यार. मनी व्हाई डोंट वी डू वन थिंग, हम एक शॉप खोलते हैं. आई हमने एक वो शॉप खोला. आई यूज्ड टू ट्रैवल टू दिल्ली. हम शॉपिंग करते थे. हमारे अब यू वोंट बिलीव, आई यूज्ड टू बाय अ लाइक गुड्स ऑफ 1 लाख रुपीस, लेकिन मैं स्पेंड करके आता था 50,000 ट्रैवलिंग थ्रू फ्लाइट से आना जाना, स्टेइंग देयर. One day I realized, Yasin Sharma, this is not business. ये तुम्हारा शौक है. One day you'll find जब आप बैलेंस शीट मिलाओगे,
Yes.
you're spending more and earning less. तो ठीक है, वो भी business धीरे धीरे फिर बंद हुआ. करते करते ये ट्रैवल पार्ट का, when I'm not that kind of person. मुझे ट्रैवलिंग का शौक इतना नहीं था. मुझे एक ट्रैवल एंजाइटी भी था. जब भी ट्रैवल का नाम आता मुझे कुछ कुछ बेचैनी होने लगती थी. But I found like इस बिजनेस में कुछ है. We can do something. So I had an office in like 80 Road. I started this business. हमने एक ऑफिस बनाया. We started with all the airlines. करते 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 मुझे इंटरेस्ट आने लगा. There was exposure. There was money. There was learning. There was like knowledge. There was meeting with different. मुझे लोगों से मिलना बहुत पसंद था. वो बहुत I find interest. तो करते करते इस बिजनेस में मुझे इंटरेस्ट है. एंड लाइक इट्स नाउ ऑलमोस्ट 18 years आई एम इनटू दिस बिजनेस. आई हैवंट डन लाइक वेरी मच ग्रेट इन दिस इंडस्ट्री, बट आई हैव डन प्रीटी गुड. दैट आई बिलीव.
Great.
एंड वी आर डूइंग लाइक वी आर पुटिंग एफर्ट टू डू मोर इन दिस.
सो एज वी सेड, उसको जैसे अमिताभ बच्चन मिल गया, उनके हस्बैंड के रूप में रणबीर कपूर की चिंगारी. सो आई थिंक आपके जीवन में शाहरुख खान कही थे जो कायनात की
Yes,
तरफ आपको
yes.
ले जा रहे थे, है कि नहीं?
Also startup, imagine startup in his era.
yes.
We normally hear startups,
Yeah,
the word
yes.
startup
So
now.
I tell you,
Startup
वो
in
अभी
your
हम-
era.
यार ये स्टार्टअप बोल के ये वर्ड हमारे पास नहीं था,
हाँ.
वरना हम तब ये यूज कर चुके.
You could have fancied that
Yeah.
word.
Fancy the word.
Yeah.
You won't believe. जब I like to add this. मेरा एक फ्रेंड था. He used to call me from Calcutta. संजीत, गुवाहाटी में साइबर कैफे खोलते हैं. नहीं यार, यहाँ कैफे नहीं चलता है. कैफे नहीं चलता है. मतलब वो वर्ड भी हमें, जब हमने पता चला कि यहाँ साइबर कैफे खुला है, it was in somewhere in GS
Road, yeah.
So PNT फोन के साथ.
हाँ.
तब उससे पहले हम यार हम तो यार पायनियर हो सकते थे इस चीज की.
Obviously.
This was the thing. Like, business में नहीं था, but once I entered, I start enjoying it, and I actually wanted to grow like in this industry, and I am putting my effort with the support of my friends, my family, and God's grace.
Great, great. So now coming to some fun part of this podcast, we have discussed a lot about business and how you have been into the business and how both of you are growing good in your business. So now अब अपनी इंडस्ट्री के बारे में अगर बात करें, ऐसी कौन सी जगह है जहां आप जाना चाहेंगे और ऐसी कौन सी जगह है जहां बिल्कुल वापस नहीं जाना चाहेंगे?
जाना चाहेंगे,
बार बार जाना
बार
चाहेंगे.
बार जाना
There are
my
places ऐसे
favorite destination, it's Goa. This is the one destination I love it. I don't know why. क्या है वहाँ? If you talk about nightlife, food wise, it's not. I'm very much attracted. I tell you. समंदर बीचेस भी आपको कहीं ना कहीं बहुत जगह मिल जाएंगे इंडिया में, इंडिया के. बट जो वाइब
The vibe,
वहाँ में
yeah.
मिलती है, the moment you land in Goa, I don't know, मैं I get crazy. So I have visited.
the adrenaline rush starts.
Yes, yes.
The दिल
I've
चाहता है
visited
times.
number of times. Maybe because of my friends, my company, whatever you can say. I visited for many conferences. Like मुझे ऐसा option होता था ना. We have like Delhi and Goa. दिल्ली में मुझे ऐसा लगता है like we'll meet more people. नहीं यार गोवा ही चलते हैं.
हाँ, धंधा ज्यादा होगा लेकिन हम
होगा,
लोग
लेकिन
घूमना
नहीं,
अच्छा
गोवा
लगेगा.
चलते हैं. गोवा की इसमें मैं सेक्रीफाइस दूंगा. Not visit, I won't say that. ऐसा कोई भी जगह है that I don't want to explore. I've explored many places, many countries. But yeah, one city I will avoid going there. That is Bangkok. And reason behind traffic. It's pathetic traffic. It's like if you want to travel like 3-4 kilometers, that is barely a distance of 20-25 minutes.
And takes
It
ages.
takes 3 hours, 4 hours.
Actually.
Like at times तो हम छोड़ देते हैं टैक्सी यार, walking चलते
Walking
हैं.
कर ले.
Yes, I've done it last to last month. I went with my friend. I did it. We were traveling from Seolim to Sukhumvit. It's a distance of like 15-20 minutes. It took more than 3 hours. So
Yeah, the traffic is very bad over there.
horrible. आपको एयरपोर्ट जाना है, you have to leave like 4-5 hours
Before.
or something like that. So
similarly coming to your industry, your favorite food जो आप बार बार खाना चाहते हैं, and ऐसा कौन सा खाना जो आप कभी बार दोबारा नहीं खाना चाहेंगे?
जिस ग्लो के साथ आप मुझसे पूछ रहे हो ना, आई एम श्योर यू आर एक्सपेक्टिंग अ वेरी फैंसी दिस थिंग कि यार इफ द शेफ इज स्पीकिंग तो कुछ बहुत अच्छा आएगा. बट देयर इज वन फूड जो मैं बार बार खाना चाहती हूँ एंड मैं खाती हूँ, इज दाल चावल. माई फेवरेट एवरी मोमेंट फूड इज़ दाल चावल. मैं दिन रात सोते जागते, मुझे देर इज़ नो टाइम फॉर मी कि वो आफ्टरनून है तो चावल खाना है, इवनिंग. इट इज़ माई कम्फर्ट फूड. मैं दुखी हूँ तो भी दाल चावल खाती हूँ टू मेक माई सेल्फ. मैं बहुत ज़्यादा खुश हूँ तो खुद को काम डाउन करने के लिए भी दाल चावल ही खाती हूँ. आई कैन जस्ट लिव ओनली ऑन दाल चावल. मुझे और कुछ भी नहीं चाहिए. सो इट इज़ लाइक दैट. एंड वन फूड जो मैं कभी खाना नहीं चाहती हूँ, ओके साउंड्स वेरी ऑड एंड absurd, but I hate mutter. I don't know why on earth do mutter peas exist. उनका abandonment हो जाना चाहिए, नहीं होना चाहिए. I just
I to love
hate it.
mutter.
Yes,
I to love
how the world loves mutter. मेरे घर पे भी when it is winters, it is like people are
Yeah.
living and surviving on it. But I just hate मटर. वो एक सब्जी जिसको बैन कर देना चाहिए. आई लव वेजिटेबल्स. आई लव करेला, तुरई, लौकी, पालक. ऑल वेजीज आर लाइक वन ऑफ माई फेवरेट. मैं हर तरह के साग सब्जी खा लेती हूँ. बट मटर इज समथिंग दैट जस्ट टर्न्स मी ऑफ इन माई फूड एंड आई जस्ट हेट इट. सो मैं कभी 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 नहीं खा सकती. मटर एंड गोंद का लड्डू, ये दोनों को अबॉलिश कर देना चाहिए.
So you don't make peas pulao.
नो, I do make peas pulao.
There is in your mind.
For
It is
selling,
in
for
my
selling
menu.
chicken and
But
bacon.
But he asked me मुझे क्या चाहिए,
Yeah.
कभी नहीं. I would never
But
eat.
again, if you're cooking something, like you need to have interest in that, right?
Yeah, so I can
So if you
do.
hate that peas
No, but
pulao,
I
like
can-
abundant
No,
kar
no,
dena
but
chahiye,
but there is rice,
and you
no?
put it.
There is rice, no, one good, one
That
bad.
is yes,
So,
obviously.
yeah.
हाँ, it's
I
our
can
own
still
flavor,
manage.
own tastes.
Yeah.
So yeah, we should respect each other's feelings.
No, and also peas pulao में पुलाव भी है.
Yeah.
I mentioned chawal. The love for chawal.
Yeah, the love for chawal is there,
Is
obviously.
always there. And
So now if we can twist the question, आप अगर श्रुति के लिए कोई मेन्यू डिजाइन कर रहे होते, तो सपोज आपका टिकट बुकिंग एक थाली है, तो वो कौन सा क्विजीन होता? थिंकिंग मतलब श्रुति के जैसा अगर सोचते.
वो थाली मेरे लिए.
हाँ.
So, like, yes, even you won't believe, like, when we book tickets for our corporate clients or clients, normally what happens, on board आपको meal serve किया जाता है, right? At times we give complimentary to our customers. So now अब तो ऐसा होने लगा है ना, customer आके संजीत मेनू में क्या क्या है, हाँ मेनू में क्या क्या है, तुम हर बार ये सैंडविच बुक कर देते हो, मैं नहीं खाती वो सैंडविच अच्छी नहीं है, and there is a goodie bag, उस goodie bag में क्या chia seeds, cashew, क्या some seeds आता है वो हम नहीं खाते, तो तुम kindly मेरे साथ वो मेनू शेयर कर सकते हो क्या? So different airlines have different menu.
Yeah.
Like Indigo have very nominal menu.
Yeah.
Like Akasa has very big
Space,
spread.
yeah.
So, if you want me to design a like menu for that special thali, मुझे और कुछ समय I'll pick from those menus जिनको मैं रात दिन देखता हूँ. I like भेलपुरी, like
Anyway, me.
उपमा, this rajma chawal, and this like one is like Manchurian and fried rice.
Yeah.
As you're totally veg, so I won't suggest any non-veg meal.
Yeah.
With like black coffee.
Yes. We can minus the bhel puri for sure.
So that is like
I
for
don't like
munching.
movie.
Then again,
It's like
puffed rice. You love rice. He's giving all the options of rice.
Oh, don't give it a fancy
And
tone
bhel
over
puri is
there.
like for munching. It's
Yeah.
a 3-hour flight.
Yeah.
Yeah.
After meal, you want to have something to munch. So
Oh, so
bhel
bhel puri.
Yeah. Similarly,
Trying to
questioning
make
for
us-
you, if your best dish would have been travel,
If my best dish would have been travel, okay.
which destination would it be taking us to?
If my best dish would have been travel, so am I thinking in terms of fame, or yeah, is it just a generic question?
Generic question.
Oh, generic question, then definitely I will send you to Burma. I love khawswe. So
Okay.
yeah, Burmese is something that I love anything that is made out of this one coconut milk. It is something that I love. So yeah.
So finally, we'll have some rapid fire questions.
Ooh.
So just one word answers.
Yes.
एक पहले आप जवाब देंगे फिर आप देंगे.
question
Same
is
question. Yeah.
Okay.
So let
question
us start.
same?
Yeah, same questions. 4-5 questions.
Okay, nice.
So related to both travel and food and
Are we getting
everything.
anything? मतलब मुझे पूरा कॉफी विद करण वाली फील लेनी है. So are we getting something after having?
We have to discuss with the host team, the Flamazing Fables team.
कि कुछ दिन मिलेगा या नहीं जीतने
we'll
पर.
do
Oh,
decide
then I need
at
to
the
calm
end
down.
of the podcast. So let us get started with the questions. A common question I ask to everyone: chai or coffee?
Coffee and chai both.
Chai.
No, you can have only one answer.
Chai in the morning, coffee पूरे दिन.
So, would you like morning tea in the balcony or evening pakoras in a valley?
Evening pakoras in the valley.
Again, both morning tea in the balcony with the pakoras, and sham ko again because it is a valley, pakoras and chai in again.
So, do you love playing outside in the ground or love playing with kids at home?
I love playing kids at home.
Me too. I hate धूप. मुझे बहुत डर लगता है धूप से because I get tanned very easily. So शाम के अलावा there's no other time that I can go out. So
Though I don't
definitely
enjoy playing, but still
I was about to say that, but then I don't want to break his
I'll
moment.
prefer playing with kids only.
So, suppose you are traveling from here to Siliguri. Would you love a train, a flight, or a car?
I'll prefer if I am traveling with my friends, will prefer car. If I am traveling alone, I'll go by flight. And if I am traveling with kids and family, I'll travel with train.
Before that, कितना time लगता है यहाँ से सिलीगुड़ी? What is the travel time?
6 to 7 hours, maximum 8 hours.
Maximum depends.
Yeah, depends.
Then again, I
If
would say
flight-
depends on the company. I love all the three, road drives and flight and everything, but definitely not flight. I'll rather छोटा distance है, so either car or train. That is something that I prefer.
So, finally, अगर आपकी लाइफ एक मूवी होती तो उसका नाम क्या होता?
Oh, me? I'm going.
Yeah.
कुछ होता है यशीन, तुम नहीं समझोगे.
So it's like जिंदगी ना मिलेगी दोबारा.
Oof.
So keep traveling.
So finally, one song that can be dedicated to the friendship, to the moments we are having here before we end up the podcast.
One song to the moments that we're having
That
here.
I think Shruti should answer.
No, but one song to
Okay.
the moments. Please help me, Doc. One song
like-
to describe the moment.
One of our friend hosting this podcast.
Yeah.
two
What a
friends
brilliant
being a
try you
guest. I think this frame is like friendship frame.
Well, the song that comes to my mind is
I
अरे
think
यार
we
वो
should.
दोस्त
जो है समा कल हो न हो, हर घड़ी बदल रही है रूप जिंदगी, छाँव है कभी कभी है धूप जिंदगी, हर पल यहाँ जी भर जियो, जो है समा कल हो न हो.
So you want to be like this?
I would love
So
to. I'm
on-
a big
on-
hardcore Shah Rukh Khan fan. I would love doing
So on that note, thank you very much, Sanjeev. Thank you very much, Shruti, for being such a sport and answering all the questions to the best way possible, so that I think people will know more about your industry. Obviously, we didn't jump too much into the professional thing. We tried to keep it low as well, but we are definitely going to get much love from the audience, and hope to see you both growing in your own fields, and lot more startups probably coming up from Sanjeev
Lot more
Sharma in
startups.
future life. So all the best for your future, and thank you for coming on Flamazing Fables and giving me the chance to host this podcast.
Thank
you.
you to you
Thank
for
you.
getting us
Yeah.
here, for making us do this, and always being such a consistent support. I'm so blessed to have both of you.
I have the
So,
same
yeah.
words for you.
Yeah, thank you so
Thank
much,
you.
and all the best to you
Thank
too.
you. Two different industries, yet one passion. Food and travel have just one passion, that is creating experiences. One feeds the stomach, the other feeds your soul. But both of them have just one thing in common, that is to give you a good experience.